Welcome, and thank you for your interest in how to know your customers with social and web insights. I am Anantha Ramachandran, the Global Product Marketing Manager for Dynamics 365 AI for Market Insights.
And I am Kishore Mantravadi, Program Manager in Dynamics 365 AI for Market Insights.
Thank you again for joining us today. During this presentation, we're going to share some information about key challenges businesses face in trying to understand what their customers or competitors are doing in their market. We will give you a high-level overview about the recently released public preview of Dynamics 365 AI for Market Insights. We will also show you a short demo of this application. And then we will leave you with enough information to learn more and try the public preview and take the next steps to know what your customers are saying, seeking, and feeling in your markets. Businesses face many market challenges, especially teams such as the marketing teams, social media teams, and product teams find it tough to know what their customers and competitors are doing in their markets. Challenges such as they have siloed social and web insights. The insights that you get based on observing what customers are doing in social channels may be different than the insights that you observe based on what the same customers are doing in search platforms. These teams also miss several opportunities to track and improve brand reputation, and also track and improve and strengthen customer relationships. Teams also get challenged because they are not able to easily track market trends or the intent behind customers' changing requirements or market trends. These challenges prevent these teams from making smarter decisions and knowing what their customers want and driving business wins. The main reason why businesses face these challenges is because they have disconnected tools, processes, and teams to manage customer engagement and track market activities. To address the challenges of these businesses and to enable these businesses, Microsoft has recently released the public preview of Dynamics 365 AI for Market Insights. This AI-powered business application is essentially the combination of the capabilities of the Dynamics 365 platform plus the capabilities of Microsoft Social Engagement, another business application, and then Bing Search. The combination of these capabilities is what enables marketers to know what their customers and competitors are doing using the AI capabilities in Dynamics 365 AI for Market Insights. This application can help these teams get complete insights. Essentially, it can help these marketing, social media, and product teams to know their customers better, build your brand, gain a competitive advantage, and support the unique needs of these businesses. The key capabilities of this business application helps marketers to get search insights based on what their target audience are doing on Bing Search. Marketers and product teams can also get demographic insights and historic insights to align their marketing and product development activities. The application also offers ability to get social insights. Teams can easily understand the sentiment based on all conversations that are happening in the social spheres for the topics of your interest. In addition to understanding the sentiment, you can also easily drill down and identify the intent behind all these conversations. Teams can also easily track and improve brand reputation. For example, you can easily identify and engage with influencers and experts who can help you amplify your digital voice and strengthen your brand reputation in the market. The application also enables teams to deliver intelligent social care on any channel. You could use the workflow automation and collaboration capabilities to strengthen customer relationships and resolve customer problems. The application also offers social selling capabilities. Sales and marketing teams can easily share content to build credibility. They can gather intelligence based on what's happening in their market. They can also source high-quality leads and automatically create leads based on social conversations that they see relevant to their topics. These are some of the key capabilities that will enable the marketing, social media, and product development teams. The compelling capabilities of this application offers unique value to a lot of customers who want to improve customer engagement and improve brand reputation. For example, teams can easily get notified for social and web trends with customizable email alerts. Teams can easily drill down to find the conversations that matter the most for your business through analytics widgets. You can also easily route posts requiring attention using intent analysis. Teams can easily build brand reputation through sentiment analysis. It's going to be easy for you to identify and engage with influencers and AI experts to build your brand reputation. The application empowers employees not just with insights, but also guidance on next best action through an easy-to-use platform and highly configurable business application. These capabilities enable marketing teams, product teams, and social media teams to know what their customers and competitors are saying, seeking, and feeling in their markets. So that was some high-level information about challenges that businesses such as yours face and a quick overview of Dynamics 365 AI for Market Insights. Now, I'm going to request Kishore to show us a demo. Kishore, take it away from here.
Thank you, Anantha. I will take you right into the demo and show you how the application works. Getting started with the application is really easy. All you have to do is type in your brand, product, or keyword for which you would like to get insights and understand what people are saying. Let's try Dynamics 365 AI. As soon as you hit search, we will retrieve a set of sample tweets that you can review to make sure this is what you're looking for. Once you confirm, go ahead and click Continue, and we will immediately set up the topic and start retrieving historical data. While the data is being loaded, you can notice that we are on the home page where you can get information about the product as well as information on getting help and how to contact us. Once the data is loaded, just hit Let's Go to get into the application where you're given a tour of the application. Click through the next button here to see all the different areas of the application. Close the tour to get started with the topic we just created. As you can see, this dashboard gives you insights on various dimensions. Let's start at the top. You can see at the top of the application that the topic Dynamics 365 AI is what you're looking at here. You can also see the date range for which the data is being shown. And notice that we have 241 posts that we have retrieved for this date range. On the dashboard itself, you can see various charts displaying insights on different dimensions. The volume history chart shows you the volume of posts as well as searches for Dynamics 365 AI for the given time frame. On the volume history chart, you can see that there have been several spikes both on social as well as search in the past few days. In addition to the volume history chart, we also have charts to show you where the conversations are happening, as well as from Bing Search, age and gender widgets. These two widgets give you information on the demographics of the people who are searching for Dynamics 365 AI. In the age chart, we can see that most of the people who are searching for Dynamics 365 AI are in the age range of 18 to 54. From a gender perspective, we can see that most of the people who are searching for Dynamics 365 AI are male. These are the insights that can help you understand your target audience in terms of their demographics. What makes this application powerful is the ability to interact, slice and dice and drill down to understand what's really going on the market in terms of what people are saying on social and what people are searching for on the web. Click on any of these charts to really see what's going on. For example, let's click on this spike right here on the volume history chart to see what happened there causing the big spike. When you click on that, the dashboard automatically refreshes to show you that specific day what's happening on social and web. Scroll to the right to see the phrases widget that tells you the most important phrases that are being discussed on the social media. This gives you an insight in terms of what happened that day causing that spike. You can notice that there are several phrases in here showing you that there was some announcement that probably was made. To verify, click on the posts drawer here to see the actual posts that are published on that day. And it confirms that people have been talking about the announcement of the public preview of the AI business applications. Go back to the analytics and you can notice that we see a positive sentiment for the announcement. We do sentiment on a scale of -10 to +10, +10 being all positive. You can see that the announcement was very well received on social media, and we have a 100% positive sentiment. In addition to the overview dashboard, notice that we have additional dashboards for conversations, sentiment, location, and sources. The conversations dashboard gives you insights on what people are saying on social media. Here, we use text analytics to not only show you the top phrases that are being mentioned in the conversations, but also use AI-based techniques to understand intentions. You can see that of the 46 posts that we got last week for Dynamics 365 AI, 10 of them have an information request intent on them. These are posts where people are asking for additional information regarding Dynamics 365 AI. Click on the information request to filter on those 10 posts. And then we can click on the posts to see what those 10 posts were which had an information request on them. You can see the posts that have been tagged with information requests in this list. Notice that we see a post from Charles who's posting about Dynamics 365 AI for market insights. Also notice that this post has been automatically tagged with the information request tag. And you have the check and delete buttons in here. If you remove this tag, this goes as feedback to our AI model to understand that you do not want these kinds of posts to be tagged as information request in the future. However, I think this is valid information requests, so I'm going to check this box to indicate to my AI model that these kinds of posts are indeed information requests and treat such posts in the future as information requests. You can also add custom tags by clicking the plus button here and putting in any tag in terms of how you want to categorize this post. Let's say we also want to categorize this post as market insights. Once you put in this tag market insights and you tag several posts like these as market insights, the system can automatically learn and tag future posts that look like these automatically with the market insights tag. This way, you can have your own categorization and build automatic models that can identify and tag with your own custom tags. Also notice that there are several actions available on this tweet. As you can see, the application not only gives you insights, but also gives you the ability to take actions on those insights by showing you the posts and the post actions. Here on this tweet, I can reply, retweet, like, or even share this tweet on my own personal social accounts. I can also assign this tweet to someone in my organization to take further action. For example, I can assign this to myself. And then I can also set a label to track this post. I can set this as waiting for customer input because I want to respond back to Charles and ask him how he would like to proceed further. I can also link this to Dynamics 365 as a lead. Click Create to create a lead in your Dynamics 365 marketing application and have your marketing team follow up with Charles. You can also reply to Charles to directly engage with him. Type in your message for Charles and also check the box to send a private message link to Charles so that you can have a private conversation with Charles regarding his request. The app can also help you identify influencers and start following them. For example, if we want to follow Charles, simply click on the profile icon next to Charles to see the author details page. And here you have the option to directly make a connection with Charles. To connect my social profile to Charles, I can select the social profile and then click follow to start following Charles. This is how you can, from within the application, identify your influencers and also start following them. Now let's take a look at the other dashboards, starting with sentiment. The sentiment dashboard gives you insights into how people are feeling about your product or brand. In this case, how people feel about Dynamics 365 AI. On this dashboard, you can see where the conversations are happening in terms of positive and negative sentiment on a map, as well as see the sentiment history over time. As you can see, for Dynamics 365 AI for last week, the sentiment is overall positive. And you can also see that on this day, there's been a lot of positive posts that have been posted. You can also see on this dashboard who your top fans and top critics are. And you can also see the positive and negative phrases that people use when posting positive and negative messages. Moving on to the location dashboard, here you can see insights on location. We can see on a map where the conversations are happening around Dynamics 365 AI. We can also see the sentiment by country region, as well as the top cities where the conversations are happening, and the phrases by country and region, so that you can see for Dynamics 365 AI by country, what are the top phrases that are resonating with your audience. Finally, the sources dashboard gives you insights in terms of the conversation happening on various sources, from blogs to Twitter to videos and Bing search as well. You can notice that blogs and Twitter is where most of the conversations are happening for Dynamics 365 AI. Additionally, you can also see the volume change by source, which tells you which sources have been getting a lot of buzz lately, as well as the top phrases by source, so you can understand what is resonating with your audience on various sources. So that's a quick overview of our analytics application that gives you insights on various dimensions in terms of what people are saying, seeking, and feeling about your product or brand or any topic of interest to you. Now let's take a quick look at how you could set up additional search topics. Click on the Search Setup button here. To create a new search topic, click on the Add New Topic button. Here, you can provide a name for your new topic. Let's say we want to create a topic for Dynamics 365. You can choose the category for this topic, and you can pick the rules that you want to set up for this topic. We have several rules to choose from, starting with the keywords rule, where you can provide specific keywords, and we will pull in all search queries as well as social data that contain those keywords. You can set up Facebook page rule to pull data from any given Facebook page, and Twitter rule to pull data from any given Twitter handle. We similarly have LinkedIn, YouTube rules to pull in data from those sources as well. In addition, you can also set up custom sources to pull data from blogs or web pages that support RSS feeds. Finally, you can also set up private messages rule to pull direct and private messages from Facebook and Twitter. Let's start with a simple keyword rule. Add a keywords rule by typing the keyword for which you would like to pull search queries and social data. Let's say we want to pull data for every tweet or search query that contains the keywords Dynamics 365. Use inclusions and exclusions to further narrow the data that we pull in for Dynamics 365. For example, in inclusions, you can type in Microsoft to ensure that we only pull in posts that contain Dynamics 365 as well as Microsoft. Next, click Apply to perform a quota check, which gives you an estimate of how many posts you can expect per month. In this case, you can see that we are within our quota limits. You can also see some of the sample tweets that will be pulled from the social media. Next, click Save to save the search topic. And now you're ready to go to start getting insights on Dynamics 365. Finally, let's look at how you can set up alerts to stay on top of what's happening on social media. Select Alerts from the top navigation bar and go ahead and add a new alert by clicking the Add New Alert button. Let's say we want to be alerted whenever somebody posts a purchase or an information request intent regarding the Dynamics 365 topic that we just created. Give the alert a name. Let's call it Dynamics 365 Info or Lead. We have two alert types, Trend Alert and Post Alert. In this case, let's pick Post Alert because we want to be notified whenever there is a new post containing an info or a lead request. Trend alerts are for getting aggregate statistics. For example, if you want to be notified whenever there is a sudden spike in volume or sentiment, you would pick the trend alert. After I select the post alert, we can set the email recipients in terms of who would actually get this alert. Let's say we want the alert to be sent to John. Next, select the filters to apply for this alert. As mentioned, we want to get the alert whenever there is an information or a purchase request for the Dynamics 365 topic. So I select the Dynamics 365 topic, and then I set the filters here for the intentions, information request, as well as purchase. Next, I save the alert, and now I have my alert ready, and I'll get notifications via email every time somebody posts in the Dynamics 365 topic that has an information or a lead intent. In closing, Market Insights can help you know your customers better based on what they say, seek, and feel on social media and web search. It helps you build your brand by understanding sentiment, identifying, and connecting with influencers. And you can gain competitive advantage by staying on top with alerts, AI-based insights on your brands, competitors, or any topics of choice, and connecting to your Dynamics 365 data. Thank you for watching, and back to you, Anantha.
Thank you, Kishore. Dynamics 365 AI for Market Insights is available in all these countries and languages. We now request you to visit our webpage to learn more and sign up and try this public preview. Technical details about how this application works is available in our help pages. If you have any questions, please feel free to engage in our community forum. We want to enable every business to know what their audience are saying, seeking, and feeling in their market. Dynamics 365 AI for Market Insights can help you with that. We request you to try the public preview. Thank you so much for your time and interest today.